Today I'm going to talk about something that is not talked about enough in the crypto space. And I think that all of you should consider this before investing any of your hard-earned money. Spoiler alert, crypto is not a get-rich-quick scheme, so by watching this video you will be fully aware of all the risks that you are taking on. Before I get on with the video, I would like to greet everyone who is new to the channel. Hi, my name is Vlad and I make videos about investing and crypto, so if you enjoy what you are seeing, consider subscribing. I would also like to thank the guys over at Gold Edit Studio for editing this video. If you would like to check out their work, you can do so via the link in the video description. Honestly, I don't know if I have to mention the fact that I'm not a financial advisor, because technically in this video I'm not going to be giving financial advice. In fact, I'm going to be doing quite the opposite. Still, always do your own research and invest only what you can afford to lose. Now that this is out of the way, let's get on with the video. Let's face it, most people want to get into crypto for a quick and easy 10x return on their investment and just be out like nothing ever happened. Unfortunately, many of them get disappointed when they realize that the coin they were told to buy on a Telegram group didn't go to the moon. What you must realize in crypto and in the stock market is that investing is a long process that awards people that are patient. By the way, you know that story you told your friend? That if you would have bought one BTC at 9,000 and sold at 60,000 you would have been filthy rich? Well, the truth would have been different, because unless you have half of the supply of BTC or a time machine, you don't know when the highest peak or the lowest dip of a coin will occur. This is why it's so important to have an entry and exit strategy. This ensures that you will take small profits along the way and won't hold all the way to zero. There are way too many people that get so emotionally attached to their investments that they are willing to hold all the way to zero. In this case, it's actually better to have goblin hands. But Vlad, you just said that we shouldn't day trade and hold long term. That's true, but that doesn't mean you can't take your initial investment out and have the freedom to do whatever you want with the rest of your money. And remember, no one, not even surfers, can predict the waves of the markets. So don't wait around for too long, because you might end up losing what you have earned. I'm going to reference this article in order to provide some more background into what people expect. Young Koreans turning to crypto as an alternative for creating wealth. Young employees in their 20s and 40s are reportedly leaving the workforce to pursue riches in crypto trading. It seems to me that people think that crypto is their lifeboat, the last chance to change their social status. Basically, these people are unwilling to work. What they don't realize that most of times crypto won't be able to sustain their lifestyle. These people are basically throwing away everything that they have worked for and are quitting their jobs to day trade and buy some safe moon. This really isn't the right move, especially taking into consideration the fact that holding long term yields the same or even better returns than day trading. One thing that you have to realize is that crypto is extremely dependent on government policies. That's because governments potentially could turn around and put all their efforts into destroying crypto. Imagine this: how do you think the US government feels when its citizens aren't trusting the US dollar anymore and they're turning around to invest in crypto as a hedge against inflation? Obviously, it's gonna try to throw all its weapons at this problem in order to stop crypto's expansion. This is why Vitalik Buterin, the CEO of Ethereum, has to say about this topic.
I don't think governments have the ability to ban crypto to the extent of just preventing blockchains from existing, but they definitely have the ability to really marginalize it.
In my opinion, this is one of the greatest threats to the future of crypto. So be aware of your government's policies regarding crypto before investing. Many investors in the crypto markets turn to day trading in order to maximize their profits. Well, I'm sorry to spill the tea, but day trading in crypto is exactly like gambling. Day trading is risky in the stock markets and even more so in the crypto markets. Truth be told, in the crypto markets, fundamentals are thrown out the window when regarding short price trends. This is because the small market cap drives prices up and down depending on the news and Elon Musk tweets. I mean, look at this. What kind of wizard do you have to be to predict this? For the many retail investors that just got into crypto, I'm sad to disappoint, but many of the gains already happened. From the beginning of the bull market in March 2020 to right now, June 2021, BTC went from $8,562 on March 1st, 2020 to $49,000 at the time of the recording of this video. That's basically a forex return. Same can be said for our top 10 coins. ETH went from $218 to $2,493, a 11x return. ADA went from $0.045 to $1.5, a 43 times return. As you can see by this pattern, altcoins offer a way bigger return on investment. But with these high returns comes the possibility of going all the way to zero, so always diversify your portfolio. Never hold your eggs all in one basket. By doing this, you might minimize your gains, but also your risks. The best time to accumulate crypto is during a bear market when prices are extremely low. So if you didn't manage to get into crypto during 2020, don't worry, because the next bear market is scheduled to begin between late fall and early spring 2022. But no one can really predict the beginning and end of a market, so always be on the lookout. This rainbow chart might offer some insight over when you should buy or sell. As you can see, we are currently in the still cheap zone, so if history repeats itself, we should pick around here at about 114,000 to 150,000. But remember, history never repeats itself exactly, so things might be way different. We might be even entering a bear market right now. Guys, before I get onto the last part, I would kindly ask you to drop a like and consider subscribing if you are enjoying the video. My channel is quite small, so every single like contributes to its overall growth. Alright, now that we got things sorted, let's continue. How can I say this? Day trading and reading stock to flow models isn't a real skill. Especially if you're a teen, it's essential to develop your abilities. So try to stay away from distractions such as video games and reading cryptocurrency news all day long. Try learning something new such as Python, video editing, graphic design, or anything else that you are passionate about. You could put your skill to work by listing your services on sites such as Upwork or Fiverr and develop your skill while also earning money. If you made it to the end of the video, congrats! You are now well aware of all the potential risks that you are taking on when investing. By the way guys, I didn't make this video to scare you out of investing in crypto. It's just that many people go into this space with very high expectations and are disappointed when they realize that things aren't quite as great as they seem. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. I wish you a great day and weekend. This was Modern Teenage Investor. Peace out.